Okay, hi everyone again. I'm back. I just want to cover the instant stories cover part 2 because before the last canvas we have is the part 1, which we do an instant stories cover with an icon. This one we will do it with the image. So how is that? So I'm Rizelle at your service. So let's start with our Canva hacks today. Okay, so let's open Insta Stories template. There you go. You can choose what color do you want or background do you want. But for me, I will just choose my color, which is purple. And then it's just so simple. You will just an element just add an element which is circle with a borderline. So you can choose the color what you want to have in your borderline. Maybe we can have the pink and then adjust it by 550 by 550, or it's okay if it's not just too exact. I just will center it and then upload the photos you want to. So let's see. I want this one, a dog, or sorry, or maybe with this. Okay, and then you can just add some text. What define your pictures? Maybe we can add some. Oops. Maybe delete this one. Then voila, that is your Insta Stories cover part 2. Maybe we can change the pants and adjust the spacing if you want. Sorry. 2. And turn. You have already an Insta Stories cover with the image that you want to have in your cover. So that's it. Hope that you enjoy the tutorials. I will having a lot soon. And that's it. Bye guys.